This is part one, creating your online passive money business, where we're basically just going to show you how much money you can make with the Senexa business by itself without any of the other investments you can do into it. So basically, the minimum you can make is 1% per day. As you can see on the screen, the minimum you can invest, I believe, is $50. For this example, we're going to use $100. If you invest $100, you can see that it's going to accrue 1% per day. So it's going to give you a profit of 8.01% or $8.01 after the 9 days. It does give you $9, but they do take a cut of that for themselves. That is accrued once every 3 days. So you're going to get that sort of $3 per day, and then they're going to take their fee on top of that. So if you use this for an entire year and keep reinvesting, how much can you make in a year from just $100? So what we've done the maths, is we've assumed that we're going to compound this monthly. So we're going to make 8% every 9 days. We're going to put a day break in between those, just in case it takes a day, or just, for those other factors before you can reinvest that amount. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our 8% here, so we'll take our 8%, we'll cube that, so what we're going to make is 25.97% each month. So then if we go over to our compound interest monthly calculator, we can use our $100, we can put in that interest rate of 25.97 per month, and let's see how much it will make over, let's say, 2 years, for example. We want to compound it monthly, and then we're going to calculate. So it's going to show us how much we're going to make. In 2 years' time, we're going to end up with $25,492, including that initial $100. Obviously, you can take out money whenever you want with this business. You don't have to keep it all in there. You can take out the profit each week once you get to a certain amount. That's entirely up to you. But this is if you invest it all again and again. So this is the first way you can make money with Senexa. And in the other videos that I will do onwards from this part one, I'm going to show you how you can make even more money with this program. Thanks for watching.